TNA Combination Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. The all-in-one combination alarm. Your first alert in an emergency. Core features highlights: dual detection, smoke and carbon monoxide. 10-year lifespan. 360 degrees full range detection. Smart LCD display. Loud 85 dB alarm. Interconnectable. When one alarm sounds, they all do. Whole home safety. Technology and design. Built with cutting-edge sensor technology. Sleek design. Intelligent function. ABS fire retardant material. Ease of use. Simple installation. One-button test function. Low battery warning. Versatility and applications. Perfect for every room, bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. From the kitchen to the basement, your safety is covered. Don't wait for a warning. Choose proactive protection.